G'day, this is Jim. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, by all means give it a thumbs down. And if you've got any constructive feedback or questions, pop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. If anyone's got any tips, chuck that down there as well, as this is a new endeavour for me in the whole world of blacksmithing. This is actually only the third thing I've ever made. I've made a couple of knives at a class a number of months ago, and this is my first attempt without any instruction from a professional. This project was not without its mistakes, which is really good because it means that I can learn from these and hopefully adjust and improve my skills in blacksmithing, and I will continue to make things, and whenever I do, hopefully I can do a video and share them with you in the future. So if you'd like to see those and any other videos that I'm creating, consider hitting the subscribe button, and if you'd like to further support my channel, the best thing to do is share my videos around. That really helps a lot, and I've just hit 4,000 subscribers, so to all my existing supporters, I want to thank you very much. It's been a long road getting to this point, and it's more than I ever really expected. So thank you very much, and until next time, take it easy.